This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Halor ka jingmi jingpursha da kibadi jingdi harot surak badlenti yat kejat na kendai lat banken ria sa parking lot ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority but parking lot persha the State Bank of India main branch uba Prestone tensong usumbut menteri rangba ubari pet ya katanat kampo yeng ke sarkar jela ulaang la Sngewthuh ya kanongrem Jingkyntait jongki wat hadien bakila rahi hak committee Ulang baka sarkar kalapan krek ki jaka de jingde ki babyang ki babet na kabenta ki ba de jingde harut surak bat lenti yat kejat.
I think even today the drive is on. And see, let me just tell you one thing. I don't know why people create this kind of problem. Meeting was held. That vending committee has already had a detail of meeting, a series of meeting, and a detail also was worked out. And blueprint was also there. Of course, maybe initially those names which was not considered due to the paperwork where they don't have, ultimately they were not considered to be entitled to that COV, that certificate of vendors. So, but as I said to you, this committee keeps sitting every now and then. So therefore, the decision taken by this committee last time, it is only to implement the decision taken by them, which I personally feel, even from government side, we feel that it is high time that we have a dedicated place for the vendors throughout Shillong. Whether provisional or permanent is it's all the same. It is functional. So, and then they are also part of that committee. It's not that only government officials were there. Even from their side, they were there. They discuss about all the interests of the hawkers. So therefore, I would only request the vendors, cooperate. We bring all your issues in this committee. Committee will take care of all the issues. And from the government side also, we don't want to just throw them out. We understand the livelihood of our people. But we, as per the act, since the act is in place, we have to also follow strictly the act and the rules of that act, which is being implemented by the state government.
Haba thin, pej bahagi ki shop, ka shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Haka bam bangi bam, duna ki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata, haba thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya ka shop plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balei hi banai kita
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya